Today we're going to be assembling a JOAL. We started out with the internal metal structure of the headband. They get pulled through the actual leather headband and the comfort strap. So all these three get combined into the done headband with the sliders, screws, and back plates. The board inside holds the jack and the contacts to the driver. And the front baffle is the steel and the magnet all in one, and then the driver gets attached to that, and then the whole thing gets assembled with these 4 screws to then be a complete assembly. On the baffle it says the model, the serial number, and Made in USA. The last part is the back plates and screws that attach the headband to the frame itself, and the ear pads. There's one more thing, then you add the magnets for the slider, and then the whole thing can go together. Final assembly, start with your left and right. Put the ear pads on first. Torque screwdriver for the back plates. This is lighter torque. These screwdrivers limit the amount of force on the screws so you don't over tighten them and warp the plastic parts. Line it up with the magnets, click it down. So you take the back plates with screws. They are unpainted. So the screws on, they would be painted on a Diana, but on the JOAL, they aren't painted. We paint the screws. It's a little tedious because you got to put them on a fixture and then take them off. But yeah, so that was one of the cost-saving measures we did on JOAL. But you could hear the click, so then it's the right torque. So that's one side. Okay, that click, and just make sure everything's running smoothly, and that is a complete JOAL.